Your feet burn at night. Your hands tingle. You've tried the exercises, you've taken the supplements, but here's what nobody told you. Stress might be undoing all of it. Not because it's in your head, because it's in your blood. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how stress attacks your nerves, and I'm going to give you a simple plan you can start today. I'm Dr. Andrew Fetterman, and this is your prescription. Here's what happens when you're stressed. Your body makes a chemical called cortisol. Think of cortisol like a volume knob. A little bit, that's normal. That's healthy. It helps you get you through a hard day. But when stress never stops, that knob gets turned all the way up and it stays there. That's where the trouble starts. Here's what high cortisol does to your nerves. 3 things. Number 1, it squeezes your blood vessels. Your nerves need blood. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to your nerve endings. Without it, your nerves starve. High cortisol squeezes those blood vessels tight. Less blood gets through. Your nerves don't get what they need. The tingling gets worse. Number 2, it causes inflammation. Inflammation is like a fire inside your body. A small fire helps you heal, but chronic stress keeps that fire burning all day, every day. That fire eats away at the coating around your nerves. That coating is called myelin. When myelin breaks down, signals can't travel right. Pain goes up. Everything feels worse. And number 3, it blocks sleep. I'll cover sleep in a full video very soon, but here's the short version. Your nerves heal while you sleep. High cortisol wakes you up at 3 a.m. No sleep means no healing. Simple as that. Sound familiar? Now here's what you want to do. 5 simple questions. Be honest with yourself. Give yourself a point for each yes. Question 1. Are you tired, but you still can't sleep at night? Question 2. Do your neuropathy symptoms get worse during a hard week? Question 3. Do you feel like you're always waiting for the next bad thing? Question 4. Do you get stomach problems, bloating, cramps when you're stressed? Question 5. Does your balance get worse when you're overwhelmed? If you said yes to 3 or more, your cortisol is probably running too high, and it is making your neuropathy worse. I want you to leave your score in the comments, just the number. Let's see how many of you are dealing with this together, because you are not alone. Let's see how many of us are dealing with this together, because you are not alone. And this is not in your head. Okay, here's your prescription. 3 simple resets: morning, midday, and evening. No gym, no equipment, just your body, and about 6 minutes each day. Morning reset, just for 2 minutes. Right when you wake up, before you check your phone, do this. Stand up slowly. Hold your chair if you need to. 10 slow ankle circles, each foot. Then 10 slow calf raises. Rise up, come down. Feel the floor. This wakes up your blood vessels. It tells your body we're safe. No emergency today. Cortisol starts to drop. Blood flow opens up. 2 minutes every morning. The midday reset, another 2 minutes. It's called box breathing. Here's how you do it. Breathe in for 4 counts. Inhale slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do that 4 times. Here's why it works. When you control your breath, you activate your vagus nerve. Your vagus nerve is like a brake pedal for stress. Press the brake, cortisol drops. Blood vessels open up. Your nerves get more blood. 2 minutes, right in the middle of your day. And now our evening reset. 2 more minutes. At the end of your day, before bed, do this. Sit or lie down. Close your eyes. Start at your feet. Notice where you're holding tension. Your feet, your calves, your shoulders, your jaw. Then let each one go. Slowly, like you're opening a fist you forgot you were making. Do this slowly for 2 minutes. It tells your nervous system the day is over. It's safe to rest now. Cortisol drops, sleep gets better. And your nerves get the repair time they've been waiting for. 6 minutes total. Morning, midday, evening. That is your cortisol prescription. Here's something I want you to know. Stress doesn't work alone. High cortisol hurts your sleep. Poor sleep means your nerves can't repair at night. But here's one thing you might not expect. High cortisol also damages your gut. A damaged gut causes more inflammation. More inflammation means more nerve pain. It's a cycle. Stress, goes to gut damage, which goes to inflammation, which goes to worse neuropathy, which goes to more stress. Breaking one part breaks all of it. What did you do today? The morning reset, the breathing, the body scan? Those steps don't just lower cortisol, they help your gut. They help you sleep. They help your nerves heal. Everything is connected. Here's your prescription for today. Step 1, do the 5-question stress inventory. Leave your score below. Step 2, start your morning reset tomorrow. 10 ankle circles, 10 calf raises, 2 minutes. Step 3, try 1 round of box breathing today, right now if you want. Your stress is real. Your pain is real. This is not in your head, but now you know something powerful. Stress is something you can actually change. Every time you do one of these resets, you're not just calming down, you're protecting your nerves. If you want to go deeper, I have a video on nitric oxide that connects directly to what we were covered today. Blood flow, nerve nutrition, and how to open up that kinked hose. I'll link it right here. Your nerves are talking to you. Let's learn to listen. I'm Dr. Andrew Fetterman. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful information for combating your nerve pain and neuropathy. I'll see you in the next one.